What's up, BP Mafia? It's your boy Pooh, man. I'm back at y'all with another lit prank, man. As y'all see, man, the kid is by himself, man. We in this big old luxurious room, you feel me? By myself, but now he went to the mailbox, you know what, I'm loud. I don't be loud as I want to, I don't care who hit me, you feel me? But she went to the mailbox, and it's always in the front, so he stayed in the back, so it's gonna be a little minute. So I got a little time to run through this, and you feel me, set me a camera up and get at it, you feel me? But today, y'all, we about to be pranking Braniya, you feel me? I'm about to cheat with the door lock. I'm gonna have the door lock, and I'm gonna be here like I'm on the phone, talk to a female, you know, caking up, saying I'm gonna do to the female, saying what I'm gonna, you feel me? You know, the usual, what, you know, people say to each other, but I'm gonna have the door lock. I know she gonna hear me. Well, I want her to hear me, so she come here crashing, knocking on the door, what you doing and all that, you feel me? But we gonna get a reaction, but make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, man. Leave a comment, man. Drop Team Pooh, Braniya, team, whatever if you're on that lane team, but drop Team Pooh in the comment section. That's all I want to see, Team Poohs, you feel me? And W prank, you feel me? But subscribe to the Mafia if you ain't already subscribed, cause y'all gotta do that, you feel me? Like hit that big red subscribe button. It's right there for you to smash it, like smash it up, you feel me? Don't smash it up too much, cause you might unsubscribe, but just smash it up if you ain't subscribed though. Follow me on IG, man, it'll be right there, man. Yes sir, 4k.pooh_ on IG, get there, man. And yes sir, follow my girl on IG, it'll be right there. Right there, Braniya B Jenkins on IG, man. Y'all go get that. You feel me? Cause we be on there lit. Y'all DM us some pranks, you know? Cause like, why not? We gonna get out of it. Well, I know I'm gonna get out of it. I don't know about her. But I ain't gonna talk that for too long, man. We finna get up out of here. I love y'all, man. BP Mafia for life, man. Gang. Alright, you guys, man. Braniya just hit me and said she about to pull it up, man. So y'all already know what time it is. You feel me? Y'all already know I would keep saying you feel me until y'all feel me. You feel me? But get what? Y'all already know, I already told y'all in the intro. What's about to go on though? So, we about to get into the thing. I got two cameras set up. I got one set up right here. I got one set up like right there, kind of like ducked off. You really can't see it. But, hey, we finna get in action, man. You feel me? Finna be cheating with the door lock. You feel me? Yo, get what? I got two phones. One for the, you feel me? But nah, make sure I locked this shit already. I mean, like, man, you already know what's up with me. I'm trying to get in that thing and go retarded. You feel me? Yeah. You know? Cause get what? Braniya ain't here no more. Braniya ain't no more Braniya and Pooh, man. Just Pooh, you feel me? It's just Pooh. You feel me? Just me. Man, y'all already know I'm trying to go crazy in that thing, man. No, I'm trying to go stupid, man. Yeah, I'm trying to go crazy. I'm trying to get that gawk. Selfie honey, you feel me? No cow, I'm trying to go crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to. Oof. You said you want to hear a little note. How you want to hear like sound? You feel me? Go sound just like that. I'm gonna tell that thing go just like that, you feel me? No, I'm gonna tell that thing go, baby. Ooh, can't wait till I see you tonight. No, I can't wait till I see you tonight, man.
Babe!
Yeah, you know I love you, girl.
Babe!
You said Braniya. I ain't like stunning Braniya, man. Just me and you, man. All day, all night.
Bitch, open up this motherfucker.
Yes, indeed, baby.
Open up.
Yeah, baby, you know I love you, man. It's me and you forever for life, man.
You got
Nobody but me and you. Let me to that thing
up.
To that thing. Boom, boom.
I know you.
Ooh,
I know you feel me.
Ooh.
Bitch, I'm looking up on the door, no.
A tie.
Bitch, I'm looking up on the door. I know you feel me.
Oh, I fall, yeah. Thinking about you so much. You about to faint in here again.
Hello, I'm here.
Shirt on. Ooh.
I'm at the fucking door, bitch.
Ooh. I call you back home, bro. She enjoyed it and stuff.
Hello, bitch. I'm at the door.
Wait. What? Wait.
Open up the door, bitch.
Open the door.
Open up the door.
Wait.
Open the door.
Wait.
Open the door.
Wait.
Open the door.
Wait.
Open the fucking fucking door. Who the fuck in here? Who you talk to?
What you mean?
Who you just talk to?
Nobody else is here.
Why you
Nobody
following me?
playing the game, bro.
You wasn't playing no game.
Yeah, I was
I
playing the
just
game.
heard your ass.
The game on.
Well, who you just talking to? The game not on. The TV off.
I was
So
on the game. I just turned TV off because
who
you
you
heard.
talking to? You just said you.
Right.
I ain't worrying about Braniya. I ain't worrying about Braniya. Bitch, I'm right here. You worried about me, ho. Who you talking to?
I wasn't talking to
What
nobody.
you talking to? I just heard you.
What
What you
you
talking
talking
about?
about?
No, I
You
don't
came
know.
from?
No, bro.
Where you came from?
Who you just talk to? The bitch up under the bed, bitch. If you in here, you better get the fuck
Yeah.
out. Move. You behind the door, ho?
Wait,
Who you
wait,
talking
wait,
to?
wait.
I don't want no hug. Who the
I wasn't talking to nobody, man.
I just heard you.
Look.
Don't hug me.
Alright, you didn't hug.
Man, move. I'm not
You
playing.
didn't hug, bro.
Get off the bed. Get off the fucking
Y'all ain't
bed.
funny, bro. That'd be so.
Don't touch me because I'm not even.
I ain't in the mood
You
to
know what
be
you talking
but I
to?
want ain't no talking to nobody. I'm on the phone chilling with my feet kicked.
Yeah, who you
Shit.
on the phone talking to?
Huh?
Who you on the phone talking to? Oh, and I heard. What I heard that.
I was clapping. I made a good shot in the game.
Bitch, the game not
Yes,
even
sir.
on. Bitch, the game not on.
I was just playing 2K, getting buckets.
Why you turn the game off when I walked in?
No, you know how the TV got the sleeper sleep on that bitch.
That motherfucking
What time
TV
is it?
ain't got no motherfucking sleeper on it, ho.
Fat got a 3 o'clock.
Let me see
sleeper.
your phone.
You got a 3 o'clock sleeping, my boy.
Let me see your phone. Well, if it had 3 o'clock sleeper, why you had to look at your phone and pick a time? You had to look at your phone.
No,
and pick a
I said what time it is.
No,
I said, let me see.
no, bitch, you're lying.
trying to
You're
play me like
lying.
I'm
You're
just
trying to
doing
say
something. I
me.
wasn't doing it.
You're trying
I
to
said,
play
nigga,
me, bitch.
I'm trying to-
You want
What?
the fuck?
What
You want to fight?
What am I fighting for? I said, let me see what time it is. So I saw what time it is, 3 o'clock, and I had put 3 o'clock time on it.
It's 3 o'clock right now.
Yeah, it's 3:18.
Bitch, when you open that door, it wasn't 3 o'clock. So, bitch, you're lying. When you open that door, it wasn't 3 o'clock.
Yes, it
Bitch,
was.
let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. You trying to play me? Don't touch me. Don't touch. I
Give me
don't
your
want no
phone.
fucking hug.
Wait,
Who you
hey,
just
hey.
talking to on the phone? Who you was talking to on the phone? Not playing.
Ooh,
Don't push me. Who you talking to on the phone? Who you talking to on the phone? Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
No.
Bitch, you better give me
Get
that
that
phone. I want that old shit. I want the new one.
Here you go.
I don't want the old one. I want the new one. I want the new. I want the new one. Bitch,
Yeah.
I want the new phone. Who you was
I
talking
want
to?
to play, bro.
You better give me the fucking
Get the
phone.
fuck back. You're not hitting my phone, bro. Watch out, bro. I want
Who
to
you
do
talking
shit.
to? If I find out who you was talking to.
No. Real shit. Chill out, because I wasn't on the phone. I'm trying to play the game.
Who the fuck were you talking to? Okay, but let me see your phone. If you was on the phone, gang, let me see your phone.
I'm on my phone. I'm on my phone. You see it when I'm done. I'm not on my phone.
No, bitch, I asked for your phone right now. You need to give me your phone right now. I ain't finna fucking wait.
You'll see when I'm done.
Let me see your phone.
You will see it when I'm fucking done. You hear me?
I want to see it right now, bitch.
You will see it when I'm done. Do you hear? You.
Bitch, you better move.
You stop
I'm not
playing
gonna fucking move. Hey, do you like I'm fucking
Stop
playing?
playing.
Move.
Stop playing me.
Who the fuck was you talking
Who
to?
you talking to?
You,
Who you
bitch.
talking to?
You, what?
I heard you talking
What?
to somebody. Who
You
you
ain't heard me talking to.
Who you
Bitch, I was talking to you.
Who you talking to?
You better let me go.
Who you talking to? Who you talking to, nigga? Who you
Bitch,
talking
I will
to?
bust your ass. Give me your phone.
No,
Get out. Give me your phone and get out.
You get up.
No,
I'll
bitch,
get
you get out.
free,
I don't give a fuck. Who was in here first?
Get up.
You better stop pushing me.
Move, man.
No.
Stop, bro. Move,
I don't care. Let me see your phone.
Move.
I don't give a fuck about you doing all that, nigga. The fuck? Let me see your phone.
Your ass out.
Let me see your phone.
Move.
Let me see your phone.
No.
Let me see your phone.
Hey, yo, fucking grandma throwing it in the fuck.
You better let me see your fucking phone,
You got
bitch.
your fucking mind.
Bitch, you out your motherfucking mouth. Don't motherfucking about me like
You
that.
trying to bitch me or something?
You a
I
bitch. Yeah, bitch. You a bitch. You a bitch the fucking day. You a bitch.
You don't want to
You a
play,
bitch.
nigga. You know I was on the phone talking to a bitch. I'm a bitch. I'll talk to
You a bitch. You a bitch. What? I'm do your ass like a bitch. What, nigga? What?
Hey,
What?
move, bro.
What? You scared?
It's a
You
prank.
scared? No. Don't let me move,
It's
bitch.
funny.
No, move. How was the prank? How was the prank? Move. How was it a prank?
What you mean?
Let me see your
Did you
phone.
get it?
Did I get
You got the
what?
prank?
I'm
You got
fucking tired.
Did you get the prank?
I'm not. Bitch, what?
Did you get it?
No, bitch. Give me your phone.
High five.
Give me your phone. You got 5 seconds. Give me your phone. Give me your fucking phone. All right. Let me go get the bottle of water.
No. Stoop dog.
Bitch, hello?
It's a prank, bro. Leave me
Bitch,
alone.
stop playing with me. Give me your fucking phone right
You got
now.
my phone, bro.
What the fuck in my fucking drink?
I got no holes in my phone. Hey, man. I got no holes in my phone, bro.
Bitch, I know you ain't playing with me on no motherfucking camera. I know you ain't playing with
You
me.
said what?
I know you're not playing with me on no fucking camera.
Why? Why?
I can't even talk. I can't even breathe.
Man, y'all already know what to do for the kid. Man, y'all drop Team Pooh in that comment section. Man, I had to hit Braniya with a little quick print. I thought about this in like, probably like 30 minutes, bro. Cause she was on the way. And I was like, I'm bored. I was in playing the game. I was like, I'm just gonna do a little prank, you feel me? So, I gave y'all the little, you feel me? A little quick little prank. You know, watch out, man. It's my shit, you feel me? I'm playing, but how you feel? Tell me how you feel. Don't touch
you don't touch my hand. I can touch this camera. Anyway. The motherfucker tried to motherfucking prank me. But guess what, bitch? You don't motherfucking prank me. I prank you. And guess what? I'm coming back a little motherfucking more harder. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be down right there. Follow me on Instagram and DM me some pranks. Because he wanna play with me. I'm finna go harder. Purr.
Before y'all DM her, y'all DM me. Because y'all know we gonna get at it with it. She ain't prank me in a little minute. So I think she's scared of me or something. So.
Scared?
It's Team Pooh, man. Y'all know whatever y'all send me, I'm gonna get at it with it, man. I'm gonna get straight to it. I've been pranking a little, you know. I be on my pranks, you feel me? All you see is Team Pooh pranking Braniya, you feel me? So y'all do what y'all gotta do in that comment section. Y'all drop Team Pooh, cause we the best team to ever do it. Best team to ever step foot out there. But man, I gotta do my post notification shout out, man. And the shout out goes to Ashley, man. Ashley, you out there, man. Keep doing your thing in our comment section, man. Well, why does it keep getting dark, bro? I gotta find some light. Yeah, keep doing your thing in our comment section, bro. We love you. And I'm out, man. BP Mafia gang.